Oh yes, there is an opportunity here. Oh, I can make very fast money. I want fast money. How can I get easy money? Easy money. Let me go here on the internet. Let me type here easy money. How to make easy money online. Oh, what's this coin? Oh shit. Oh, is that doggy coin? Oh, it's going up. Oh my god, I'm gonna invest. It's easy. It's easy. No, this is easy money. Easy money. Let me ask. I'm gonna ask my friend. Hey, yo, listen up. How easy is to get this? How easy is for me to make money online? Is this crypto here good? What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to speak to you a little bit about the big mistakes crypto investors must stop making. Now, I heard this very good.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
It doesn't work quite like that. It's not that fast. You cannot make money that fast.
No, you're doing it wrong. I want to trade very fast. I want to make very quick money. Ooh, I'm gonna get a Lamborghini. Yes, of course I want that. That would be very nice. This is me making a lot of money. Oh yeah.
It's a lot of things that you actually must do. It's not fast. You cannot make money. You cannot make fast money in crypto. It doesn't work like that.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Yo, what's up? You good? Yeah, man.
Have you heard of that coin?
What token? What's the name?
You know that token I was speaking to you yesterday about it? Yeah, there's an opportunity right now, but don't FOMO in. Do not FOMO in, okay? Otherwise you might lose your money.
Where is it? I'm gonna go now. No, I don't wanna think. Ooh, emotion, man. Let's go now. Let's go. Yeah. No, if I don't do now, I'm gonna miss it, man. No, I'm gonna lose money, man. I need to do now. I need to do it now. There we go. I put $1,000. Yeah, nice. Now I'm just gonna make money now, man. I can't believe this, man. I can't believe this. Went to zero. No way. Went to zero. I lost $1,000. I FOMO in. Yes, I thought I was gonna miss opportunity. I lost. Oh my god, I lost the money, man. My wife gonna kill me. Oh my god, man, I FOMO in.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Honestly, you must dedicate a little bit more time for yourself.
No, I don't. No study, man. It's very easy. It's easy, man. You go there, you buy on the red and you sell on the green. I don't need to understand
To understand, to learn, to study a little bit, really understand where you are putting your money. Otherwise, what's the point of you just crazy? Put your money anywhere. You will lose money like this.
Do you need to understand the fundamentals? No, it's easy, man. You go there, you buy the red, boom, sell there. It's easy. There's no need to understand, to study. Let me check here. What happened? You will not. I lost my money again. I can't believe this. I didn't know that project was not gonna do this. I didn't know, man. I don't know. I thought you buy on the red and then you just sell it. I cannot believe I lost again.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
It's a great opportunity here. Yo, I'm gonna put some money in this coin here. What do you think? Should I wait? No, I'm gonna put it now. No, man, I have no patience. I'm gonna put another $1,000. This time, I'm gonna make some money. Now, I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna trade it. So I have no patience, man. No long-term thing. I need some money today. I want to Tonight, I want to buy my ticket to go to the States, have some holidays, live the crypto life, be a millionaire. You know what I mean? Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I think I'm in a lost already. It's gonna. No, I'm not gonna wait for them. It is a good project. It is a good project. So why is not giving me money? I want. Why is the money? Why? How long do I have to wait? No pension. I'm selling, man. Selling. No, I'm not panic selling. I'm selling because I'm gonna lose money. If I leave here, I'm gonna lose that money. If it was a good project, it would give me money, right? I'm selling. And I just sold, I lost 500. I lost half of my money, all right? I start to think that this crypto thing is a scam, huh?
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
I would say you have to have a target. You know, I'm gonna put this money. When I get to this, I'm gonna be taking 5% here, 10% there. You need to have a sort of a goal, a plan. Otherwise, you might lose money as well on that process.
Goals. Do you have any goals? Any targets? No, I don't. Goals is I put in my money, I take my money. I put in my money, I take my money. That's my goal.
You might go through all of this and you will give up because you will believe that crypto is a scam. So you need to focus and understand what you are doing. I will leave you to it. And if you want to give up and lose all your money, and then of course it's up to you. All right? Take it easy. Bye-bye.
All right? I have no targets, no plan, no nothing, all right? And then what's happened? I'll check what's happened. I'll check. I just fucking lost my money again. I didn't know I had to. Oh my God. No targets, no goals, no nothing. Do you know what? I give up. I believe crypto is a scam. I give up. All right? I give up. Crypto is a scam. All right?
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
So, is that a conversation that sometimes reminds you or somebody else that you know? Normally, fast and easy money, it doesn't happen quite like that. FOMO in, the probability and potential of you losing your money is big. No study and dig in to really understand a project make you to lose money. Having no patience for delaying your gratifications, delaying your earnings, having a diamond hand, be strong and hold makes you to lose money. Giving up and believing that everything, the whole crypto space, it's a scam, make you lose money. So what you take from this video, you are in this process for the long term, for the rest of your life. You're thinking in the future. You don't FOMO in. You don't have fear of missing out because you do your research, you study, you dig in and understand every single project where you put your money in. You have patience and you delay your gratification. You have no problem because you know that deep inside you are on the right investment. You have goals and you set targets in order to take profits. Because if you don't take profits, why are you here for? So these are some of mistakes that people starting crypto makes. They don't stay into the end. They are crypto tourists. So what are you? Are you here for the long term? Are you here to stay? Do you believe in crypto and in the power of blockchain technology? Which I know everybody's here for the money. But you believe in your studies and you understand how crypto works, maybe you'll be able to multiply your gains. Again, not financial advice. But I hope this video helped you somehow in order to understand a little bit more how we all should behave. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao!